Good morning, dear friends. Today we will discuss about the coordinate geometry, and later on we will discuss about those parts which are has been those questions which had been asked in previous years of IGESO exam. So first of all we will discuss about the what is the theoretical part, what are the basic concepts used in coordinate geometry, and what type of question has been asked in previous years. So we will discuss step by step. In first lecture we will discuss about the basic part, what the coordinate geometry means, how it is applied in our daily life, what are the basic criteria used in this section, so and so. So friends, coordinate geometry. First of all we will discuss about the uh, basic formulas used in these chapters. First formula is distance formula. How this formula is used: let's say there are 2 points, point A x1 y1 and another point B x2 y2. Then distance between these 2 points is denoted by square root of x2 minus x1 का whole square and y2 minus y1 whole square. किन्हीं भी गिवन दो पॉइंट के बीच में डिस्टेंस फाइंड करने के लिए डिस्टेंस फॉर्मूला जो यूज करते हैं, इट इज गिवन बाय x2 minus x1 का होल स्क्वायर प्लस y2 minus y1 का होल स्क्वायर, स्क्वायर रूट ऑफ all the terms. Next concept is section formula. How this formula is used: section formula is used if there are 2 points are given, let's say A and B, and there is a point R which is lie between these two given points, and coordinates of the two given points x1 y1 and another 2 points x2 y2, then the coordinate of the point R which is intersecting these line segment in the ratio m ratio n is given as x comma y will be mx2 plus nx1 divided by m plus n multiply by my2 plus ny1 divided by m plus n. This formula is used when this point is internally dividing the line segment AB. If the point is externally dividing the line segment AB, then section formula will be almost be same, but there will be changing of signs like this. Let's say a new scenario, A and B and another point R lying outside this line segment and intersecting these line segment into m ratio n, then coordinates of R will be given as mx2 minus nx1 divided by m minus 1 and my2 minus ny1 divided by m minus 1. So these are the basic formula used for the finding the coordinates of any point dividing the given line segment into the given ratio m ratio n. And we will solve a problem on the basis of these formulas. So let's have a problem. Let's have a question. The question is given as determine the ratio in which the line segment the line segment line segment 3x plus y minus 9 is equal to 0. Divide the segment joining the points 1, 3 and 2, 7. So there is a problem given that we have a line segment 3x plus y minus 9 equals to 0. Divide the line joining the points 1, 3 and 2, 7. Then how will how we will solve this type of problem. So इस तरह की प्रॉब्लम को सोल्व करने के लिए अगेन अपन सेक्शन फॉर्मूला को काम में ले सकते हैं. देन हाउ विल यूज द सेक्शन फॉर्मूला. सो वी कैन अज्यूम दैट these points 1,3 and 2,7 are dividing by these line are dividing by this line 3x plus y, dividing by this line 3x plus y minus 9 is equals to 0 in the ratio k ratio 1. We can assume that this line 3x plus y minus 9 is equals to 0 is dividing the given line segment into k ratio 1. Then coordinate of the point will be like this. The coordinate of the point r will be like this. We can find the coordinate of the point r by using the section formula as we have read already. It will be obtained like as m1 x2 divided by m1 x2 plus n x1 divided by m plus n. It will be obtained as 2k plus 1 divided by k plus 1, and it will also obtain as 7k plus 3 divided by k plus 1. So this is the point which is also lying on the line 3x plus y minus 9. So the coordinate of this point r will be lie on the line 3x plus y, then it will satisfy the given equation. Then hence we can find the value of k by putting these coordinates into the given line. So put these coordinates in the given line. Then we will obtain the answer like 3 times of 2k plus 1 divided by k plus 1 plus 7k plus 3 divided by k plus 1 minus 9 is equals to 0. And after solving these problem, these equation, we will obtain the value of k is equal to 3 upon 4. So this is the required value of k for which the given line segment is dividing the line joining these 2 points. Means we can say the given line will divide line segment into the ratio of 3:4. We can say the line will divide into the ratio of 3:4. ये जो गिवन लाइन है वो इन लाइन सेगमेंट को ज्वाइनिंग करने वाली लाइन को 3:4 में डिवाइड करेगी. तो इस तरह से अपन प्रॉब्लम कर सकते हैं जिनमें अपन सेक्शन फॉर्मूला का यूज कर सकते हैं. देन लेट्स proceed ahead. We will discuss about the certain important points like what are the centroids, incenters, circumcenters which are used most frequently used in coordinate geometry. So we will discuss one by one. Now we will discuss about what is the centroid. Then let us consider a triangle ABC and the coordinates of these points are given as x1, y1. The definition of centroid will be it is the point of intersection of medians of a triangle. जहाँ ट्राइंगल की तीनों मीडियंस इंटरसेक्ट करती है उस पॉइंट को अपन नाम देते हैं सेंट्रोइड. इट इज द पॉइंट ऑफ इंटरसेक्शन ऑफ मीडियन ऑफ ए ट्राइंगल. जनरली इट इज डिनोटेड बाय कैपिटल G and the coordinate of G is given as x1 plus x2 plus x3 divided by 3 comma y1 plus y2 plus y3 divided by 3. These are the coordinates in order to find the centroid of any triangle. Now we will discuss about another important point, that is incenter of a triangle. What is mean by incenter? Incenter of a triangle is the point when all the angle bisector of the triangles are intersecting. It is denoted by capital I. किसी भी triangle का the incenter of any triangle is the point of intersection of all the angle bisectors in the triangle. let's say the triangle ABC is given and the angle bisectors are intersecting at the point, and the length of side opposite to the vertex A is given as small a, and the length of side opposite to the vertex B is given as small b, and the length of side opposite to the vertex C is given as small c. Then the coordinate of incenter is given as, we can write the coordinate of incenter given as ax1 bx2 plus cx3 divided by a plus b plus c comma ay1 plus by2 plus cy3 divided by a plus b plus. Let's have a question based on the incenters. Question is given as, find the coordinate of incenter of the triangle of a triangle ABC whose vertices are 0, 6, 8, 12, 8, 0. Then how to solve this type of problem? First of all, we will find what are the distance between these three vertices, because we will use the distance of sides opposite to the given vertex A, B and C. So first of all, we will apply distance formula between these points in order to find the length of AB, AC and BC. Then according to the distance formula, the distance between AB will be given as 8 minus 0 raised to whole square 12 minus 16 whole square. We will obtain at 64 plus 36, that will be the 100, and it will be 10 centimeter. Similarly, we will find the distance BC by using the distance formula. We will find it will be 12, and also we will have the distance between A and C by using this formula, and it will be obtained at 10. So in order to find the incenter, we will use the formula, given formula for the incenter, that is coordinate of incenters are given as ax1. So we can use the formula, and putting these value of coordinate x and y, we will use 12 into 0 plus 10 into 8 plus 10 into 8 dividing by 12 plus 10 plus 0, and 12 into 6 plus 10 into 12 plus 10 into 0 divided by 12 plus 10 plus, and solving the complete expression, we will obtain the coordinate of incenter is 5 and 6. So this is all about the introduction part of the topic coordinate geometry, and we will discuss later on about the more important facts of coordinate geometry. Thank you so much.